Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Sopiguard product review video. Appreciate your time, your support. Huge shout out, Sopiguard. Man, it has been many years in working with Sopiguard and just definitely appreciative for the opportunity to represent once again. We're going to be doing a skin install on the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I have provided my own rubbery mat here to keep my S26 Ultra in place. So that is something that you'll have to do. You can also use a cloth like this. The desk mat here, my Godzilla desk mat, is actually a little slippery. So something like this or like this really does help. Now on the inside, you're going to get a Sopiguard microcloth, wet wipe, and the skin itself for your S26 Ultra. Over at the Sopiguard website, there are many different types of skins for not just a smartphone, but your laptop, tablet, and gaming device. And there's also an area that you can go into to create a custom print skin. And that's what I did. I uploaded a wallpaper I found over at Pinterest. They take that wallpaper and create the skin. And it's a simple process. I will edit in the process to get to that area over at the Sopiguard website. Again, it's super duper easy. And then Sopiguard does the rest. They do the magic. You get that skin delivered to your house, and you will apply it to your S26 Ultra or whatever smartphone you have. Again, many different types of skins, textures, prints for many different smartphones and laptop, tablet, gaming device. So just do some shopping over there at the Sopiguard website. The link will be down below in the description area. So without further ado, I'm going to place the rubbery mat here at an angle like this, and we're going to get into the envelope. There is some information here, so please read everything. And put that there. Get that Sopiguard microcloth. Oh, I have many of these. Many of those. And we'll put that there to represent. And here is the sterile alcohol prep pad. So what we want to do is, I don't know why I looked at the display. I'm not going to put anything on the display. I'm going to speed up the video a little bit, and that way the video doesn't go on too long. And yeah, first you want to clean off the back, give it a nice wipe down, and then apply. No, I'm not going to show you yet. I'll show you as the process goes on. Look at that. I gotta tell you, that was a little bit harder to get that little piece of skin surrounding the cameras there on that camera platform. So you'll have to find something that doesn't have a sharp edge, just a little bit kind of an edge that's a little dull. Just had this UAG glass shield screen protector that I removed to put on a thin-born tempered glass screen protector on this dummy device. It was laying on my little desk over there, so I used that. Again, it's not super sharp. It's a dull type of edge there, and that helped get into the little areas there and push down the skin surrounding the cameras and right around here and the platform area. So if you can find something that's has that type of edge laying around before you start the install, use that as a tool. But don't use anything that's really, really super sharp or you'll destroy the skin. But that in itself looks really nice. Again, this was a wallpaper I found over at Pinterest. I put it into my gallery and then I uploaded it to Sopiguard and they created the skin. And that right there is solid. I just recently reviewed a case from UAG, the Plyo case here. Let me find out the actual name of that. I'll be right back. So this is the UAG Blue Hombre. Hombre is basically man. So this is the Blue Man clear case for the S26 Ultra. 60 smacks. And that's an amazing case. I actually reviewed it in a video for Thinborn doing their tempered glass install on this device, the S26 Ultra. Ooh, that's gonna look solid. You can see there's no issues with the case itself, the Blue Hombre from UAG with the tempered glass screen protector from Thinborn, and on the back, wow. That is just solid, folks. Look at that. Come on now. Huh? Man, that is fresh. That is fresh. Look at that. Come on now. Wow. Did I say that twice? Actually easier to take the case off like this. Now that I'm on a roll, I'm just going to add another case review just to show off the extra love that Sopiguard has provided for the S26 Ultra.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to review the clearly rugged anti-yellowing technology, 15-foot drop tested, built-in magnet compatible with magnet accessories, the Dot case. Now this is actually the true clear ice ash case. You do get black, cloud blue, ash, frosted ice ash, and rose. 45 smacks. I'll leave a link down below in the description area along with obviously the star of the show, the skin from Sopiguard. And so let's get a closer look at the information on the back. Bam. The UAG drawer, the case, the Dot, grippy texture on the back, grippy texture on the inside. You can actually feel the dots. That is super, super cool. Wow. Yeah, you can feel those dots. There's the magnetic ring. Those dots are going to add protection for the back of your S26 Ultra. Plenty of lip that is going to surround all of those cameras back there, sensor and flash. Yeah, that is really, really nice. This case is super duper grippy, in my opinion. Wow. If you want anything grippier than this, I really just don't know what you want, folks, because this is grippy and it doesn't have any ridge texture. It's just the TPU itself. It's just got lots of grip action going on there. Corner protection extending out. Wow, that is nice. Buttons will be covered up. Power button, volume rocker there. Cutouts will be precise. All right, so let's go ahead and put the S26 Ultra in the case. Make sure we don't have any issues with the thin-borne tempered glass screen protector working with the UAG Dot ice ash clear case. So no lifting up top, bottom, sides, and corners. So that's a huge thumbs up. Up top, you can see the recessed area there for the combo earpiece and speaker. At the bottom, cut out for the USB Type-C charging port and the bottom mic there nicely exposed. Huge cutout for the speaker grill and a huge cutout with overlapping material for that S Pen, the corner of the S26 Ultra. So that is really, really good to see. Huge thumbs up. Plenty of lip, folks. Plenty of lip, plus the thin-borne tempered glass screen protector. Okay. Yeah, that right there is plenty of lip. Should have no issues with the protection on the front. And there's the top cutout for the two top mics. When sitting down, just like that, on a flat surface a little bit rough, you're good to go. Anything rougher than that, sporting a glass protector is definitely going to help. So just use your discretion. On the back, you can see that the lip rising over the three main cameras there. And yes, you'll have plenty of space for camera glass lens protectors if you're going to sit down on a really rough surface. But as is, you're good to go. Little bit of rocking going on there. And that's to be expected with the camera lip. So definitely plenty of protection. Flat surface is a little bit rough, but anything rougher than that, once again, camera glass lens protectors. Look at that. Look at the skin. And that's really what we're here for. But yes, you want to make sure that you can sport great protection from a case company like UAG. Obviously, you want to bring in something that's clear so you can see the skin that you've chosen from Sopiguard, whether it's a custom-made skin or a skin they have ready to go for you. And that right there is just, wow. That's some artsy love right there. Wow. Look at the dot design that's cushioning the back of your S26 Ultra. Come on, folks, that is just sick. And there's your buttons, nicely covered up. And yeah, you're going to have a strong magnetic hold. As far as a MagSafe accessory, that's the 10,000 milliamp power surge battery pack. It's got a little bit of heft, kickstand, and I gotta tell you, man, once you put that puppy on, it's got a strong magnetic hold. But that's not what you're gonna be doing. You're just gonna put it on and add some battery juice to your device. Definitely works. Okay? All right. Any questions, please ask down below. Sopiguard, once again, huge shout out. UAG, thank you so much as well for being a guest star in this Sopiguard skin install, custom-made skin install. It doesn't get any better than that. It really doesn't. Easy to take off the case, and there's the skin. Bam. Wow. Amazing. Amazing.